When listings on your stores are imported with incorrect, mismatching, or even duplicate SKUs, you may find those listings linked to the wrong item in SKULabs. Thankfully, there are a few simple ways to correct this. First, you'll want to unlink the listing in SKULabs. Go to Inventory, Listings tab, and find the product you want to relink. This listing here for my red balloon has the same SKU as another teal cube product. Click on the listing's name, then the Unlink button beside the product it's linked to. Next, if your sales channel allows it, simply correct the listing SKU on your store. Then, run Listing Sync from your dashboard. We'll automatically relink the listing to the correct item for you. Otherwise, if your sales channel does not allow editing SKUs, open the listing and choose either Link to Existing Item or Link to Existing Kit. Find the item in the list, click the link icon, done. For more ways to configure and relink listings, check out our link in the description below and visit SKULabs.com to get started today.